Visionary art transcends the physical world. It delves into the realm of dreams, intuition, and spiritual awakening. This art form seeks to express a deeper reality. It explores themes of consciousness, mysticism, and the transcendental. Visionary artists are often guided by inner experiences. They draw inspiration from altered states of consciousness. These states can be induced through meditation, dreams, or psychedelic experiences. The goal is to share their insights with the world. Through their art, they offer a glimpse into the hidden dimensions of existence. They invite viewers to question their own perceptions. Visionary art challenges us to look beyond the surface of things. It encourages us to connect with the spiritual dimension that permeates all of life. It is an art form that speaks to the soul. The origins of visionary art can be traced back centuries. Early religious paintings often depicted mystical visions and divine beings. These works served as a bridge between the earthly and the spiritual realms. Think of the intricate mosaics of Byzantine art, radiant with gold and depicting celestial beings, or the Renaissance frescoes, where saints and angels float in ethereal spaces. These works aimed to inspire awe and devotion. They offered a glimpse into the divine realm as perceived by the artist. These artists were often deeply religious. Their works were a form of spiritual practice. They sought to convey the ineffable through their art. These early expressions of visionary art laid the groundwork for the movement's development in the centuries to follow. The 18th and 19th centuries saw a resurgence of interest in mysticism and the occult. This cultural shift had a profound impact on the art world. Artists began to explore the inner landscapes of the mind with renewed vigor. One such artist was William Blake, a visionary poet and painter. Blake's work was deeply symbolic, drawing inspiration from biblical narratives, mystical experiences, and his own vivid imagination. His art was often accompanied by his own poetry, creating a unique and powerful synthesis of word and image. Another key figure was Charles Burchfield, an American painter known for his mystical depictions of nature. Burchfield believed that nature was imbued with a spiritual essence. His paintings capture the subtle vibrations and hidden energies of the natural world. These artists paved the way for the modern visionary art movement. They expanded the boundaries of artistic expression. They delved into the depths of the human psyche. William Blake stands as a towering figure in the realm of visionary art. Born in 18th century England, Blake was a visionary from a young age, claiming to have seen angels in the trees. His art was a direct expression of his mystical experiences and his belief in the power of the imagination. Blake's work often depicted biblical scenes, but with a unique and often radical interpretation. He saw the Bible as a symbolic representation of the human soul's journey. His paintings were filled with vibrant colors, swirling forms, and powerful imagery that seemed to emerge from a realm beyond the material world. Blake's art was often accompanied by his own poetry, which further amplified the mystical and symbolic dimensions of his work. He believed that true art was a form of divine revelation. His work was a testament to the power of the human spirit to transcend its earthly limitations and connect with the infinite. Blake's influence on visionary art is immeasurable. He remains a source of inspiration for artists who seek to express the unseen and to explore the depths of human consciousness. Charles Burchfield and the Spirit of Place. Charles Burchfield, an American painter, found his voice in nature's mystical embrace. He believed the natural world was alive with unseen forces. His paintings captured these vibrations to share with the world. Burchfield's art was deeply personal, rooted in his experiences. His work featured bold lines, vibrant colors, and movement. He often added fantasy and symbolism to his landscapes. Burchfield's art invited viewers to perceive nature's spiritual dimension. Section 6, Alex Gray and the Sacred Anatomy of Consciousness. Alex Gray is a contemporary visionary artist whose work explores the intricate relationship between the physical and spiritual dimensions of human existence. Gray's art is characterized by its detailed anatomical imagery, often depicting the human body as a translucent vessel through which energy flows and consciousness manifests. His paintings invite us to contemplate the interconnectedness of all things. They reveal the sacred geometry that underlies the physical world. Gray's art is deeply rooted in his own spiritual practice and his belief in the transformative power of art. He sees the human body as a microcosm of the universe. His work is a testament to the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of creation. Gray's art has had a profound impact on contemporary visionary art. His work continues to inspire artists and spiritual seekers alike, encouraging us to look within and to recognize the divine spark that resides within us all. Section 7. Feminine Archetypes in Mythic Realms. Seddon Boulet. Seddon Boulet was an American artist known for her captivating depictions of feminine archetypes, mythical creatures, and dreamlike landscapes. Her work drew inspiration from various cultures and spiritual traditions, weaving together elements of Celtic mythology, Native American shamanism, and Eastern mysticism. Boulet's art often featured strong female figures, goddesses and priestesses. These figures embodied qualities of wisdom, compassion, and spiritual power. Her paintings were imbued with a sense of magic and mystery. They invited viewers to step into a world where anything was possible. Boulet's art celebrated the feminine principle. Her work explored the depths of the human psyche. Her art continues to resonate with those who are drawn to the power of myth, archetype, and the feminine divine. Section 8. Pamela Coleman Smith and the Enduring Magic of the Tarot. Pamela Coleman Smith, a talented artist of the early 20th century, is best known for her iconic illustrations for the Rider-Waite-Smith Tarot deck. This deck, first published in 1909, has become one of the most widely used and recognized tarot decks in the world. Smith's vibrant and symbolic imagery brought the archetypes and teachings of the tarot to life for a new generation. Her illustrations were not merely decorative, but were infused with a deep understanding of the esoteric principles underlying the tarot. Each card was carefully crafted to convey a specific meaning and to evoke a particular energy. Smith's art played a crucial role in popularizing the tarot in the 20th century. Her work helped to make the tarot more accessible to a wider audience. Her illustrations continue to inspire and intrigue tarot readers and art enthusiasts alike. Section 9. A Legacy of Inspiration. Visionary Art's Enduring Influence. Visionary art has had a profound and lasting impact on the art world and beyond. It has challenged traditional notions of what art can be and has expanded the boundaries of artistic expression. Visionary artists have consistently pushed the limits of perception, inviting viewers to question their own reality and to consider the possibility of other realms of existence. The influence of visionary art can be seen in various art movements, from Surrealism to Abstract Expressionism. It has inspired generations of artists to explore the power of symbolism, to delve into the subconscious mind, and to use art as a means of spiritual exploration and personal transformation. Visionary art has also had a significant cultural impact, influencing music, literature, and popular culture. Its themes of consciousness expansion, interconnectedness, and spiritual awakening resonate deeply with the contemporary search for meaning and purpose. The legacy of visionary art is one of boundless creativity, spiritual inquiry, and a deep reverence for the mysteries of the universe. The future of visionary art. A glimpse beyond the horizon. Visionary art evolves with new technologies and mediums. Virtual and augmented reality offer unprecedented opportunities. These tools create immersive experiences, blurring physical and digital boundaries. They transport viewers to other dimensions and evoke profound emotions. facilitating spiritual experiences. The future of visionary art will see greater collaboration and interactivity. Visionary artists shape our understanding of consciousness and spirituality. Their art reminds us of infinite possibilities beyond the material world.